Hey everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm always looking for containers that I can drag around and grow plants in. And I like when I can find these. Find these at Aldi's, but they haven't gotten any in yet. But I did find these tubs. Now, yeah, they're flexible, but once you fill them with dirt, they'll pretty much stay put. So, I got 3 of them. Got a 3/4 inch drill. And I got to put some water holes in them. Drainage holes. So I'm going to put a bunch of holes on the bottom, and we'll see if I can put some in the side. So I'm going to work on these, and we'll be back when I get those done, show you the next step. Alright, I've done some fresh compost sifting. Now I'm going to add in some of this organic planting soil. And to lighten up the whole mess. Add in some perlite. This is my standard mix here for the garden and for the containers. Is half compost, half a good potting mix, and then perlite. Hey, Bailey, come see me. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Turn yourself around. Say hello to everybody. Oh, yeah. Chasing lizards. Okay. Go get some more lizards. Okay, I got this mixed up pretty good. Now I'm going to add in some of this basic organic fertilizer that I make up. This is a garden tone, tomato tone, holly tone, whatever the tone is, I get a good price on. And then I add some extra magnesium to it. So that's going to make this a good soil to start with. And now I'm going to fill these tubs with it, or at least 1 or 2 of them. Then I'll have to make some more. Okay, so there's what one looks like. I'm going to cart this one down to where I want to plant it, and then I'll do the other 2. But you see how I'm doing this. So we're going to move down now to where I'm actually going to position this and get it planted. Alright, I got these placed down here now. I had some old shingles, so they got to be 20-25 years old. They're worthless shingles. So I put them down for weed control. Got a chain link fence here for things to run up and down. And the only squash I have that's really ready to do anything is this spaghetti squash. So I'm going to plant them here. And they can feel free to either run out in the yard behind me, which is not particularly spiffy yard, not much growing, mostly weeds, or they can climb up this chain link fence. Don't really care. Do either one they want to do, as long as they make me lots of spaghetti squash. So, wonderful root structures. Each one I planted 2 seeds, and I got 2 plants, and they are spaghetti squash saved from some spaghetti squash we grew last year. Then to water them in, I got some worm tea here. So they'll get some nice liquid food ready to go. Help those little roots adjust. Now I got 2 tubs here with spaghetti squash started. Still got 1 tub left for the next thing that shows up. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. I'm heading inside because it is really getting hot and I'm starting to burn. May 14th, Thursday. The garden is really transitioning into the summertime plants. This is David once again. Thank you for watching.